What's up, guys? Today we are going to make the bacon wrapped potato omelet, I think is what we're going to call it. Shooting in. My dad made it a couple days ago, sent me a video of it from YouTube, but the problem is I use beef, and we're going to use deer sausage that we did ourselves. This is from the buck I killed this year on the archery hunt. And to start off with our ingredients, we got 3 eggs. We're going to scramble those up. We got a quarter of a purple onion. We have 1 yellow bell pepper, and we have 2 large mushrooms cut up. I got everything ready to go, all cut up. And so you do the same. We got 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. We're going to use those different spices today. And I got 4 red potatoes, all cut up, so about equal to 2 bowls full of potatoes. Pound of bacon, and then the sausage. And that's all you're going to need. Oh, and a 10-inch skillet, which I already wrapped in tin foil. So we're just going to start. You take the bacon and just going to lay like half of it in, half of it out, like so. We're just going to do that all the way around the pan. And you can use 2 pounds of bacon if you want more bacon, but I don't feel like having a heart attack today, so we're just doing 1 pound. And this is what you're trying to obtain with that bacon. So you just basically do it in a big circle around the pan, half of it in, half of it out. And now we're going to start adding all the ingredients. That's it. That's what you're going for. Then we'll bake it at 350 degrees for 2 hours. And make sure your internal temperature should be at least 150 degrees. And there you go. We'll see how it turns out. We just took it out of the oven. That's the finished product. Well, this is the finished product. The only thing that I recommend doing differently is probably spray your tin foil with some vegetable oil or something, because it was sticking when we took it off of the tin foil, but looks pretty good.